concept of business process outsourcing. Business process outsourcing, BPO, BPO is the short name for business process outsourcing, can be defined as the act of giving a other party responsibility of performing what would otherwise be an internal system or service. Common examples of BPO are call centers and payroll outsourcing. BPO share their work or responsibility related to business to BPO, and BPO charges for the desired responsibility and do the back office or front office work of BPOs. BPOs are the new phenomenon in the IT sector of companies. Many companies hire BPO or they open their own BPO for their growth and enhancement of products which they are dealing. That is called BPO. BPO helps to provide particular type of product to do any particular work or any particular task. BPO were in direct contact of customers. BPO is often divided into two categories. BPO can be divided as back office or front office. Back office does billing or purchasing work. Billing of products sell by or bought by the business or need of buying new machinery, purchasing for the business. That is all done by the BPOs for the desired product of any new item or any new company. This work has been done by back offices in the BPO. How much product is wanted by the office or how things are going to be handled in BPO, all of this is done by the back office. In front office deals in customer related services. Any services related to customers are solved or done by front office, which are provided by BPOs. It provides a wide range of powerful, flexible tools, which in turn helps in achieving the business objective in a cost effective and efficient manner. BPO doesn't necessarily only provide IT services but also helps in other activities also. BPOs are inclined to provide better customer satisfaction, leading to customer retention, increased productivity, deal with competition effectively, and in turn increase profitability. BPO help business to grow and expand their work or the quality of product by maintaining in the mainstream competition of the market and grow their business and earn more profit in the same branch they are working in. Advantages of BPO: achieve cost reduction, this is made possible through process improvements, re-engineering, and use of technologies that reduce and bring administrative and other costs under control. Key in on company's main business with the day-to-day back office operations taken care of. The management is free to devote more time to building the company's core business. They can fully devote it in the core business or the main task they have comfortably, so they can freely manage their work. Outside expertise rather than recruiting and training personnel. BPO ensures that domain experts from another company provide the needed guidance and skills. They provide training to their required company and help them. Fourth point, meet constantly changing customer demands. Many BPO vendors provide the management with flexible and scalable services to meet the customer's changing requirement and to support companies' acquisitions, consolidate and joint ventures. BPOs help companies to do customer retention also by acknowledging all the demands and wants of the customers. They help them in selling many products or things they want. BPO provide a new idea to business how they can grow or how they can attend different customers at various times. Fifth point, achieving revenue increases. By outsourcing non-core processes, companies can focus on increasing their sales and market shares, develop new products, expand into new markets, and enhance customer services and satisfaction. They focus on increasing their business or development of the business. By outsourcing, business can grow rapidly and new ventures also start in business. So far, BPO has been finished. Now, the new term, that is KPO, knowledge process outsourcing, we are going to start. This is the new phenomenon in India. KPO is the new phenomenon that is picking pace in India. It is knowledge process outsourcing. KPO involves offshoring of knowledge, intensive business processes that require specialized domain expertise, thus delivering high value to organization by providing business expertise rather than just process expertise. It is being claimed that KPO is one step extension of business processing outsourcing, that is BPO. BPO industry is shaping into KPO's knowledge processing unit because of its favorable advantage and future scope. KPO can simply be explained as an offshoring of knowledge concentrated business processes that need specialized domain oriented expertise. KPO is involved in services like valuation and invest research, patent filing, legal, and insurance services. KPO helps business in their patent, how the legal matters can be solved, or how companies can be secured. They provide advices on the such issues such as insurance, legal, etc. KPO help business in different domain or in different department required by the companies. KPO educate business regarding their growth and development. Experts give exercise. Now, advantages of KPO. Accelerating re-engineering benefits. Re-engineering aims for drastic improvement in critical measures of performances such as cost, services, quality and speed, but the need of increased efficiency come into direct conflict with the need to invest in core business. Re-engineering helps businesses to grow fast and to manage all the work by providing help. Second, access to the top class capabilities. Good and competent providers make extensive investments in technologies, people, and methodologies. They acquire expertise by working with many clients facing similar changes. This combination of specialization and expertise ensure the customers a competitive advantage and help them avoid the cost of acquiring technology and training. How KPOs help business to grow and reduce less money in different other factors such as training, technology, and skill based. Third point, cash infusion. Outsourcing often involves the transfer of assets from customers to providers. Equipments, vehicles, facilities, and license used in the current operations, contain value, and are sold to the vendors. How business can work and help the one to do cash infusion in business. Optimal use of resources. Every organization has limitation to the resource available to it. Outsourcing allows an organization to redirect its resources, mostly human resource, from non-core activities toward activities which serve the core needs of customers. People whose energies are currently focused on internal activities can be focused externally on the customers. Fifth, solution to the difficult problems. Outsourcing is certainly one option for addressing the problem of managing difficult activities requiring core technical skills. However, a company can outsource only those difficult problems which it understands properly, because if the organization doesn't understand its own requirement, it won't be able to communicate them to an outside provider. It is very important for business for self-understanding what is the problem related to which they want export, so they can easily hire an expert. It is very important to understand the problem by yourself rather than calling the one and wasting your time and money also. If you understand your problem by yourself, you can ask for the required expert. Sixth point, focus on main business. Outsourcing allows company to focus on its core business by having operational non-core functions assumed by an outside expert. Freedom from devoting energy to these non-core areas, the company can focus its resources on meeting its customers' needs. Company can plan how their business can grow and they can maintain customer retention. Seventh point, best use of financial resources. There is a large amount of competition within most organizations for capital funds. The senior management is always in a fix to decide where to invest capital funds. Senior management decides what and where to invest in business. Eighth point, cost reduction. Companies which attempt to do everything by themselves generally incur higher research, development, marketing, and development expenses. And all of these are passed on the customers, due to which customers won't retain with a certain product or a certain company. KPOs help in cost reduction by planning all of these area for any business or any group. Ninth point, minimum risk. Tremendous risk are associated with the investments made by the organizations. Market, competitions, financial conditions, government regulations, and technologies all changes quickly. For example, such as increase in the price of petrol, gold, etc. These all are the government rules which has changed due to the market rules. However, in outsourcing, providers make investments on behalf of many clients, not just one. Shared investment, spread risk, and significantly reduces the risk borne by a single company. Difference between KPO and BPO. KPO, knowledge processing outsourcing, require expertise, having domain knowledge. They are highly skilled and business experts, as they handle more dexterous work which requires experience. BPO industry is more about size, quantity, and competence. The major difference between BPO and KPO is BPO insists for labor and require less skilled employees. KPO requires highly knowledgeable employees in the area that is outsourced, like lawyers, doctors, MBA, and skilled engineers. The salary of KPO employee is much higher than offered to BPO employees. People working for KPO are highly qualified, such as engineer, doctor, CA, lawyers, etc. BPO provides services like customer care, technical support through voice processes, telemarketing, sales, etc. Whereas KPO provides in-depth knowledge, expertise, and analysis on complex areas like legal services, business and market research, etc. KPO help in-depth knowledge to grow the business, employees in BPO are not so qualified as its focus on communication skills only. KPO involves skills and expertise of knowledge workers with excellent educational background, such as lawyer, doctor, chartered accountant, engineers, etc. Thank you so much. Namaste.